Alright, there's one more thing that we forgot. Okay, I did the wiring anyway. I did the SATA power connection and SATA data connection for the DVD. When we'll have DVD, it's probably going to be about a week or so. But anyway, most of it's done. What we forgot to install the video card. Okay, so I have the video card for PCI Express 16 slot. Let me make sure that I do have to take anything out in that. Yes. Do I or don't I? Just a clip. Okay. Alright, let me get that. Alright, let's see which two I have to take out. So to take out this one and this one, two of them, second and third. Okay. Okay. So two of these are taken out, and we can install it now without much of a problem, I guess. Is there anything connected? No. Alright. Okay. Alright. It's in without much of a problem. So we just have to put the screws back. It's the second one. Alright, so this is it. So now it's all done. Just have to put the cover on, and this thing is done. This is the back, this is the bottom. Okay. This portion of the cover I have already gotten. Okay. So let's close this. Okay, so let's take this out to show. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Everything is done, plenty of room there for air to flow in, and a lot of upgrade option that I could do in there. Two fans on the front, one in the back, and two on the top. Alright, that's it, and I'm going to close this up, and when I'll plug it in, we'll see how it goes.